so I promised you guys this video. I'm going to shampoo and condition a few of my wigs to show you the process of how I personally do it. This is one of the wigs that I'm going to wash. This is Tabitha, and you can see like her ends are starting to get pretty gnarly. So I'm going to show you what she looks like before, and then after I wash her, I will try her back on. I will show you the back as well. The ends are pretty gnarly. We're going to wash this one, and we're also going to wash the Ruby and Balayage. I have also worn the heck out of this one. I can't even like run my fingers through it. It's just like tangly and feels gross. I don't know if you guys can really see, but this one needs a good wash as well in the sink. And let's get going. The shampoo and conditioner that I use is from Chelsea Smith. This is an older brand, so I bought a lot of it when it was in stock. She does have an updated version of it, but I'm using the shampoo and I'm also using the conditioner by Chelsea Smith. So we're gonna fill the sink up with cold water to start. What I do is I take the shampoo and I put just a few pumps of it in the water. This isn't going to suds like your regular shampoo, so know that. And then what we're going to do is take the wigs and submerge them. Put just a few extra pumps on top. What I do is I take my hands and I kind of just massage the hair in the shampoo like in the water. I try not to tangle the hair too much, but it will, if you do get it tangled, you can just comb it out. And then if you have any makeup around like the hairline, you could just like massage some of that shampoo into the hairline to get some of that makeup and maybe any products that you've used off of it. Rinse these really well underneath the water. Then what I do is I put these on a towel. I wrung them out really, really well. I kind of pat them dry a little bit. And then I take the conditioner and I pump it in my hands. And then what I do is I just run my fingers kind of along the wig to condition it the best I can. Rinse really, really well, again with cold water. And then what I do is I wring them out as best I can, and then I sandwich them in the towel, pat them dry as much as I can. What I do is I take my wide tooth comb and I just slowly try and detangle it as much as I can. You don't really want to pull too much on the wig. So if some of the knots are not coming out initially, just let it dry and then comb it once it's dry. Always start on the bottom and work your way up. Then what I do is I just hang them on the door to dry. You don't want to use a blow dryer because the heat can change the style of the wig and it will continue to drip. So make sure you guys put a towel underneath of them and just wait until they're dry. All right, Tabitha is washed and ready and she feels so much better. She smells so amazing. I will show you the back of it. And then I will show you Ruby. Here is Ruby, all washed and ready to be worn for the day. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you guys with whatever I can help you with. Okay, have a good day. Bye.